I think this really bodes well for the future of science. I mean, that we can get together and have this conversation. People, from different backgrounds, different parts of the world, different stages of their career, different parts of the scientific profession. I think it sends, again, when I open my comments, sends a very, very positive message, especially to the young scientists around the world. And we're trying to create a better world for them. I think that's what we should aspire to. And I want to thank everyone for your time. I realize everyone here is incredibly busy. So I know this is, for all of you, at some level, a labor of love. And that's why you're here. And that's how we have to move forward. And I want to, sure, I'll miss thanking some people, but there are so many people that, made this event possible, all the organizers from HHMI, Wellcome Trust, ASAP Bio, all of the staff here at HHMI who have done just such a fantastic job. And anyway, there's more discussion to be had, but it will be in these more informal but very important settings. It's really, we think of all these things as being very technical or logistic. People matter, and really people working together is what ends up changing the world. So all of our informal interactions are accomplishing that goal too. So anyway, thank you very much, and enjoy your evening.